Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young man named Alex. Despite facing numerous challenges, he was determined to achieve success in life. Alex grew up in a modest family with limited resources, but his parents instilled in him the value of hard work and perseverance. From a young age, Alex displayed a keen interest in education. He would spend hours reading books borrowed from the village library and was always eager to learn. However, financial constraints forced him to take up odd jobs to support his family. Despite the hardship, Alex remained focused on his studies, knowing that education was the key to a better future. As he entered high school, Alex faced even greater obstacles. The village schools lacked proper facilities and resources were scarce. Undeterred, Alex sought alternative ways to supplement his education. He approached the local community for support, organizing and community events to improve the school's infrastructure. His determination caught the attention of a kind-hearted philanthropist who decided to sponsor Alex's education. This unexpected support opened new doors for him, allowing him to attend a better school in the nearby town. Alex seized this opportunity with gratitude and continued to excel academically. Despite facing social expectations and norms, Alex dreams beyond the limitation of his circumstances. He aspired to become a doctor, future where he could contribute to the well-being of his community. His relentless pursuit of these goals earned him a scholarship to a prestigious medical school. Throughout his academic journey, Alex encountered setbacks and challenges, but each obstacle fueled his determination. He embraced the philosophy that success is not solely measured by material wealth, but by the positive impact one can make on others' lives. Upon completing his medical education, Alex returned to his village, determined to uplift the healthcare system. He established a clinic providing affordable medical care to the unreserved community. His selfless dedication to the well-being of others made him a respected figure in the village. As years passed, Alex's success story became an inspiration to many. Be activity engaged in community development projects promoting education and health care. The once struggling village transformed into a thriving community thanks to Alex's unwavering commitment. In the end, Alex realized that the success is not just an individual accomplishment, but a journey that involves uplifting others along the way. His story became a testament to the power of resilience, hard work. As he looked back at his challenges yet rewarding journey, Alex knew that success in life was not merely about personal achievements, but about creating a positive impact on the world around him.